thing about smoking Buddha is it makes you feel good. Like, it's just a way to relieve the stress. I used to do it so much that it just wouldn't really touch me anymore. Like, at first I remember it feeling, really good. Like, it's just not something I can describe. It's just a total feeling of carelessness. Then it no longer used to feel that way. It used to feel normal, so I moved on. After a while, things started to get out of control. It became a habit. It wasn't something I do to relax anymore. It wasn't something I do on a Saturday evening. It was something that I did every morning, every evening, every night, and it wasn't healthy. It wasn't something that somebody my age should be doing. The thing is, once you try and forget by doing it every few hours, you become that person that person that's always trying to forget. People look at you. They won't speak to you like they used to anymore. You can see behind the face that they're disappointed, like they don't want to know you anymore, like you're some kind of loser, like you're just wasting your life. And that's what it was, because it's just no longer had any motivation to do anything. It turned from being 10 minutes late for lessons at school to an hour to 2 hours, showing up at lunchtime. People used to ask, like, where have you been? And I couldn't tell them where I'd been, because I just didn't know how to answer that question, because I didn't know where I'd been. And then from then onwards, I struggled to get out of bed. Most of the days of the week, I'd sleep until 3-4 o'clock. And that's when it got really serious, because people were ringing home, like people were starting to get concerned about me, and I couldn't see it. I was being selfish. I needed help. I think if anyone needed help, I did. I needed it the most, but I'd be hesitant because I didn't know who to ask. I thought people would frown at me and tell me that yeah, you do need help. You're a messed up guy, you need it. And then just turn me down and throw me to the side. But in the end, that wasn't the case. There were people out there trying to help me, and I just didn't take it because I was just too afraid.